doesn't seem to mind the bright light. She was sleeping all day through it.
Aww.
Oh, a yawn hiccup.
You're very entertaining, Lindsay. She still wants to eat. She's trying to move.
Bye.